Can you get the other one? He's looking at me.
No.
Oh shit.
I almost died.
I got the guys next to me.
Yeah.
Oh. I guess he's just oblivious. I heard him with that drone. It's by the ambulance. Got him. It's cracked.
He almost broke.
Push the one that's inside. I'm with you. I'll put this down. Got him. We're about to see
yep.
him.
He's inside. No, he's almost broke. Damn it.
Oh, you died.
I don't know how I died.
Ooh.
Like I said, you and one other person because I killed the other guy.
Oh. Yeah, M16's disgusting.